Hi, I am Monica. In this video, I am going to explain some quick tips and tricks for IELTS true, false, not given type of questions. Okay. But before starting the this video, before giving the quick tips and tricks for this, there is a warning for you. Always double check with the information given in the passage, because these are the guesswork only. Or if you are having short of time, then these kinds of tricks may be useful for you in getting higher bands. Okay, let's start. What are the true statements? For the true statements, the statements are like simple statements, or we can say simple sentence. Let's look at the sentence here. Bingham went to South America in search of an Inca city. This is a simple sentence only. Bingham went to South America in search of an Inca city. This is a kind of simple sentence or simple statement. In this way, this is true. But I am telling you again and again, you have to match this information in the reading passage also. Let's move on to the next type of words we can get in true statements. Like we can have positive words like is, possibly, and next is mostly, may, can. Whenever the statement is starting from most of the time or mostly, we can put the statement is true. We can put the statement in true. Okay, but when the most is inside the statement, like gold is the most valuable material in the world, we can say the most is coming inside the statement, it means that kind of statement are always false. But again, I am telling you, always double check with the information in the passage. Always double check with the information given in the question statement with the passage in the with the information in the passage. Okay, now let's move on to the false type of questions we have. Okay, for false statements, we can have special words like always, fever, little, the most. As I gave you the example, the most, the most, these words, whenever it is coming inside the statement, then it is absolutely, this is 99% false statement. Okay, next is must, all, entirely, or we can say only all is there, then it is false entirely. Majority of is also 99% false statement. Whenever it is given never, it is also a false statement. Okay, whenever the statement in a statement it is given, it is a simple sentence as well as attached with these kinds of connectors as soon as, or giving reasons for the main sentence, then it is also a false statement. Okay, let's look at the example for this. Here it is given, Bingham chose a particular route down the Urumba Valley because. Why Bingham chose a particular route down the Urumba Valley? Because it was the most common route used by travelers. It is false. In the answer key, it has given the false for this statement, because here I can say there for the main sentence they are giving the reasoning for the main sentence. Next one is, Bingham understood the significance of Machu Picchu as soon as he saw it. Now he is saying, the writer is saying, Bingham understood the significance, the importance of Machu Picchu. It is a heritage site. As soon as he saw it. As soon as he saw it. As soon as. It is this word is giving reasoning from here to here for the first main sentence. It means it is also a false statement. False. Let's move on to the next type of, okay, last word is left. We have forever. Forever, always, all, must, entirely, fewer, little, the most, majority, never. These are exceptional words. Or please note one thing again, verify your answers with the information given in passage. Verify your answers with the information given in the passage with the question statement, Okay, let's move on to the next type of questions. We have not given. Okay, again I'm telling you, it's 99% guesswork. It's 99% guesswork, but 99% it is a correct guess. Okay, first is, whenever you come across comparative statement in a sentence, in a question statement, like we can have words like less than or more than, comparing between a person with many more persons, like comparison with two or more persons or many more, and that is 99% not given statement. Okay, last we have, whenever in the statement it is given the current time, or like today, current day, current year, nowadays, words are used in the question statement, then it is also 99% not given. It is not given. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you the example of this. This is the sentence. Silk yarn makes up the majority of silk currently exported from China. Silk currently exported from China. It is not given. It is not given. I have matched this statement. I have compared this statement with the information given in the passage also. I have matched it. Okay, this is also, again I'm saying, this is 99% guesswork. Always double check with the question statement. Always double check the question statement with the information given in the passage. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos and subscribe. Thank you.